A Wrinkle in Time, the graphic novel. This is the last part of Chapter 1, Mrs. Whatsit. It isn't so much that I lost my way as that I got blown off course. And when I realized that I was at little Charles Wallace's house, I thought I'd just come in and rest a bit before proceeding on my way. How did you know this was Charles Wallace's house? By the smell. Would you like a sandwich, Mrs. Whatsit? I've had liverwurst and cream cheese. Charles has had bread and jam, and Meg lettuce and tomato. Irk. Now, let me see. I'm passionately fond of Russian caviar. You peeked. We're saving that for Mother's birthday, and you can't have any. Sigh. No. And you mustn't give in to her, Mother, or I shall be very angry. How about tuna fish salad? Oh, all right. I'll fix it. I'll bet she is the tramp. I'll bet she did steal those sheets. She's certainly no one Charles Wallace ought to be friends with, especially when he won't even talk to ordinary people. And I didn't think I was going to like the neighbors at all until dear little Charles came by with his dog. Mrs. Whatsit, why did you take Mrs. Buncombe's sheets? I needed them, Charles dear. You must return them at once. But Charles dear, I can't. I've used them. If you needed sheets that badly, you should have asked me. You can't spare any sheets. Mrs. Buncombe can. Tell your sister I'm all right, Charles. Tell her my intentions are good. Chop, 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 chop. Here's your sandwich. Do you mind if I take off my boots before I eat? Listen. Squelch, squish. My toes are ever so damp, and these boots are too tight for me, and I never can take them off all by myself. I'll help you. No, you're not strong enough. I'll help. Arrgh. Oh, dearie me. Are you all right, Mrs. Whatsit? If you have some liniment, I'll put it on my dignity. I think it's sprained. Chomp. Do please get up. I don't like seeing you lying there that way. You're carrying things too far. Have you ever tried getting up with a sprained dignity? Now, pull while I'm already down. Pop. That's ever so much better. My stomach is full, and I'm warm inside and out, and it's time I went home. But it's much too wild a night to travel in. Wild nights are my glory. I just caught in a downdraft and blown off course. Well, at least wait till your socks are dry. Don't worry about me, lamb. I'll just pop my boots on and then I'll be on my way. And speaking of ways, by the way, there is such a thing as a tesseract. That's the end of chapter 1. We'll pick up next time with chapter 2, Mrs. Who.